Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to shop on Taobao using your WeChat Pay or WeChat wallet for payment, and this is going to be a complete full tutorial. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you link your bank card with your WeChat wallet, or you have fund in your WeChat wallet. After you have done with that, to make this very tutorial short, so I've done that. So what you need to do is to check the video out. If you don't know how to link your bank card with your WeChat account, kindly check the video out on my channel. I've made video about that. Or if you don't know how to top up your WeChat wallet, consider to check the video out on my channel as well, or you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp to fund your WeChat wallet. After you have fund in your WeChat wallet, or you link your bank card with your WeChat wallet, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your Taobao. So I'm going to click on here now to open up my Taobao. After you open your Taobao, you need to make sure you search for products from different supplier. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for products from different supplier on Taobao. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different product is going to load up right here. However, you can come to the top right here, tap on the product name, type with the product name you are looking for right here, and you are going to see a similar result. After you are able to search for product, next thing you want to do is to add a product to cart. So once you add the product to cart, proceed to your cart right here, and it's going to take you right here. Now, so from my cart right here, I'm going to scroll down. So I'm using this particular product right here. So I'm going to select the product. However, you need to know that not every supplier accepts WeChat as a means of payment on Taobao. But once you see any supplier that accepts WeChat payment, you are going to see the option at the checkout. So once you select the product, click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm paying the sum of 3.39. I'm paying the sum of 3.89 yen to purchase this. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here and then make sure we select WeChat as our means of payment right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select my WeChat. So having selected my WeChat, you can see the price has changed to 3.98 yen. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So you can see WeChat Pay Connect. So next thing I need to do is to make sure I enter my payment password. You can see my bank card right here. So enter my payment password. So allow the WeChat to connect. Payments done successful. Just like what you see right here. Okay. Next thing you need to do is to click on back to vendor. Just like so, payment has been done successful. And I received a debit alert from my bank card issuer right here. Just like what you see, this is the amount that was charged. So I was charged 914 naira 48 kobo to purchase. You can see the purchase transaction detail right here. Okay. So next thing I need to do is to click on here to go back. And the product will no longer be here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. By the time I refresh my profile right here, so let's find out. So click on here now, and you have the product here has been successfully paid for using my WeChat in Taobao. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, 1688, Pinduoduo, or Alibaba or AliExpress, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.